Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you to a wonderful place in Paris. It's called Montmartre, and here you can find this wonderful big cathedral called le Sacré-Cœur. The Sacré-Cœur Basilica is a famous landmark in Paris in France. It is located on the highest point in the city, offering stunning views of Paris. The basilica was built in the late 19th century as a symbol of national penance after the Franco-Prussian War. Its architectural style is a mix of Romanesque and Byzantine influences. The interior is adorned with beautiful mosaics and stained glass windows as well. The basilica is a popular tourist attraction and a place of worship. It is also known for its white exterior, which remains white due to a special type of stone used in its construction. The Sacré-Cœur Basilica is a significant part of Parisian history and culture. Welcome, fellow wanderers, to the magical streets of Montmartre, a neighborhood nestled in the heart of Paris. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden gems and fascinating facts that makes Montmartre a must-visit destination for curious travelers like yourself. So grab your beret, put on your walking shoes, and let's dive into the enchanting world of Montmartre. Montmartre once was a humble village on the outskirts of Paris. It has transformed into a bohemian haven that continues to captivate the hearts of tourists from all around the globe. It has a rich history and vibrant atmosphere. It makes it a magnet for artists, dreamers, and free spirits seeking inspiration as well. One of the most iconic landmarks in Montmartre is this majestic Sacré-Cœur Basilica, perched atop hill, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Its stunning white facade and intricate architecture make it a sight to behold. Legend has it that the basilica was built as a symbol of hope and healing after the Franco-Prussian War. Today, it stands as a beacon of peace and spirituality, drawing visitors from all walks of life. As you stroll through the cobblestone streets, you'll encounter a vibrant tapestry of art and culture. Montmartre has long been a haven for artists, with renowned painters such as Picasso, Van Gogh, and Renoir finding inspiration within its charming alleyways. The neighborhood's artistic legacy lives on through its numerous art studios, galleries, and street artists will bring the streets to life with their colorful creations. This beautiful angle of the Sacré-Cœur on Montmartre I have shot with greenery around it, and it is actually like exposed exactly like in this video angle shot. If you go instead of like straight forwards on the stairs, you go to the sideway, you can capture this beautiful shot. Like all tourists, we always like to take the best shots that we can. And also the other advantage is that there are less people on that side track, so you can take better pictures without any distraction as well. Back to the center of Le Sacré-Cœur, you can see that there are many people there taking pictures, so it's much better to take it with this beautiful frame of greenery around it, and you will have the best shots. Also, another good advice is when you ever visit this busy, bustling place is to go in the early morning so that you can avoid the crowd. Another legendary place in this area is called Moulin Rouge, which is the birthplace of the can-can dance and a symbolic place of the Parisian nightlife. So for those who are interested, you should also visit this wonderful Moulin Rouge. Step in the iconic cabaret and be transported to a world of glamour, feathers, and sequins. The Moulin Rouge has been entertaining audiences for over a century, and its extravagant shows continue to dazzle visitors with their mesmerizing performances. While walking through the streets of Montmartre, you can see a lot of nice artworks created by those artists. They're selling their artworks on the street, and you can even have yourself portrayed by them. At the same time, you can smell the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, and warm croissants fill the air as you step into the Montmartre's charming cafes. These cozy establishments have become synonymous with the neighborhood's bohemian spirit. You can take a seat at one of these wonderful cafes, sip on a café au lait, and even indulge yourself in a flaky croissant while immersing yourself in a lively ambience. Well, that's what I did. I had a wonderful lunch here. It's a perfect spot to people watch and soak up the artistic energy that permeates every corner of Montmartre. As the sun sets over Montmartre, the neighborhood takes on a romantic allure. The narrow, winding streets come alive with a soft glow of street lamps, casting a spell on all who wander through them. Couples can steal a moment of tranquility in the Place du Tertre, a charming square where artists set up their easels and capture the essence of Montmartre on canvas. It's a place where love and art intertwine, creating an atmosphere that is both enchanting and unforgettable. So here I've come nearly to an end of this episode. So my fellow adventurers, whether you're an art enthusiast or history buff or simply just a lover of all things whimsical, Montmartre is a destination that promises to ignite your imagination and leave an indelible mark on your soul. So, pack your bags, follow the footsteps of the great artists who came before us, and let Montmartre weave its magic around you. Thank you so much again for joining this journey together with me, and I hope that I can surprise you guys again with other nice visits in this world or in France or whatever in Europe. And please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you find this interesting. See you next time, and thanks for watching.